Good morning. My name is Erika Paula Diaz Palomar. El Guitarrón is located in Belo Horizonte neighborhood. You can go with your family or in-law. You can go along go to the pool to cool off. It is the place to share with your family or a place to meet next public. Talking about weather is of got the anticipation of your weather view if you could the end of the year it with before. Duration the tree. The trees will last 3 days and 2 days. First day. Enjoy the port because it has carriers. Roger posted corks and bumper cars. Second day. Go for work. In the town's tourist place is located. Friday, el guitarrón José Osfar, you relax messenger and yoga surfer. Means of transportation. You can go by car, motor, or even on bus. Activity to do. The activities you can do is the park to enjoy the park, to know the culture of the tourist town is cosmic to enjoy the day with the relaxed therapy. Typical food. You should visit this incredible place because you can find the best food you have ever tried. For example, cooked fish, roasted pigs, typical typical dishes in this region are lemonade with panela, agua panela with cheese, cokes. The cost of this tourist place is free hot free for the, for four people. It is but at Berwin the cost for point is 150 pesos.